give the boys. Getting to know a person, in this instance, getting to know me is like getting to know the values of pi. First, there are no patterns, there are no shortcuts. Second, it takes a lot of time and takes a lot of effort. Third, you can commit an error anywhere there. Fourth, just because you know the first few digits doesn't mean that you know the whole value. And fifth, we share one thing common with pi. We have a value, we have a worth. So to start off with the random things about myself, just as the random numbers here. I was born naked. and I would most likely return to dust naked. So this only shows one thing, that like everyone else, I am going to live and I'm going to die. And I am a person. So what do I believe in? I believe in God, I believe in humanity. I believe that examination should be abolished. I believe that examination should be abolished because the intellect of students cannot be measured by the exam results that they get. Yes. Next, I am short, therefore I am honest. I am a Filipino. My DNA is Filipino, therefore I can understand simple things like bawal tumawid dito, bawal umihi dito, at lahat pa ng bawal. However, what I will not understand as a person is why other Filipinos cannot understand this. And for one thing, ladies and gentlemen, I only love one thing in this life. And that is life itself. Because if you love everything in life, in short, you love everything. Why else do you have to specify everything that you love? So that makes me happy, that makes me contented, that makes me blessed, that makes me myself. That's it. That's all about me. Because since the time I started my speech, I already acknowledge that I have failed to accomplish the main objective of this speech, to introduce myself. Because I cannot introduce myself in 2 minutes. No one else can. Because introducing oneself takes one day at a time. That is the beauty in introducing people. One day at a time. And today is May 1. If you want to know the rest, I'll tell you tomorrow. Good evening.